Hi, I'm Dr. Osman. It's very easy to make a predictable mockup with Blender software. We can add a face photo as a reference and merge with STL models. We can rotate the photos and the STL models to make the bi-pupillary line parallel to the horizontal plane. We can use the patient's own teeth forms or STL teeth libraries. The sculpting tools are great as well, so we can prepare a mockup in about 15 minutes. We can either print the model or show it to the patients on the screen. If we need to change something, it takes just a couple of minutes. If you want to learn more, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. You can also contact me through my email and Instagram direct message. The links are in the description.